6 new habits to develop that will stamp out weakness. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. The good news is you're past step 1. You're already motivated enough to stamp out your weaknesses. The second step is the fun. Coming up with the right habits to combat those weaknesses and capitalize on your strengths. We're focusing on stamping out weaknesses, but let's focus even more on exercising those strengths. As you're working through this process, start with developing these habits. 1. Don't dwell. It's easy to dwell on the negative and focus on the troubles you're going through, but that will hold you back. Every time you find your mind wandering towards something negative, redirect it toward the positive. 2. Embrace growing opportunities. Your mind is like your body in the sense that it needs to be exercised regularly to grow. Just like a muscle, it will become weak if you don't exercise it and push it to the limit. Anytime you see an opportunity to grow, embrace it. 3. Don't let defeat bring you down. Sometimes you're going to face rejection. It will happen over and over again, but you can't let it get you down. If you did, you'd call it quits and never advance in life. That's the worst thing you can do when you're trying to work on your weaknesses. Instead, look at defeat as a learning and growing opportunity. 4. Tell yourself that you can. Because, well, you can. Your goals are not impossible. They may take extra time or more work than you anticipated, but they are possible. Put your mind to it, and don't let the word can't seep into your mindset. 5. Aim for success in the long run. No one likes waiting, but it's inevitable when you're working with the future, especially big long-term goals. That's when active waiting comes into the picture. Know that things may not come easy or quickly, but as long as you are actively working toward your goals and being patient about the process, you will get there slowly but surely. 6. Express gratitude. When you're feeling weak, you may not be feeling particularly grateful. You might be focusing on all the things you don't have rather than all the things you do have. In times like these, take some time to be grateful for all that you have. It will boost your psyche, which in turn will push you toward your goals and your strengths and away from your weaknesses.